Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we will be talking about how you can fix ChatGPT's oops something unexpected happened error code. So here, as you can see, the error is going to be looking something like this. It usually happens when you type in a prompt, and instead of giving you an answer, it just spits out this weird looking error message, even though if your network is working perfectly fine. But we are going to be confirming the steps on how to fix it. So yeah, let's get started. So the very first thing that you need to do is simply head over to your settings, and from there just type in here settings. And once you are on your settings, you need to head over to your network and internet. Once you are there, head over to your Wi-Fi if you're using that, or LAN if you're using LAN. And here you need to make sure that everything is working perfectly fine from your internet service provider. And so my ISP is currently seemingly working fine, and to confirm it, you need to simply launch a speed test. So head over to speedtest.com on browser, or you can, if you have an app, you can do that as well. So here, as you can see, I have installed the speed test app, and we are going to be simply checking out our speed. So here right now the speed is going to be checked. So yeah, you can see my internet is currently working perfectly fine. So what you have to wait and check out your uploading speed as well, and make sure that it is working fine as well. So yeah, the uploading is working fine, and the ping delay is also good. So the internet service provider is working perfectly fine. So most of the time the glitches happen due to a network error, but it is not the case. So the second step, what you need to do is simply head over to your browser on which you are using ChatGPT, and head over to its settings. So here, as you can see, I have settings, and once I head over to that, I will be able to see that I need to head over to my privacy, search and services. And from there you can see we have this option of clear browsing data. So you're going to be choosing what to clear. So you need to clear everything from here, like for example your browsing history, download history, cookies and stuff like that. So simply click on clear now, and make sure to set it on all time, so that will refresh your browser. And yeah, now these are a few steps which you can follow to fix ChatGPT. And even if it is not working, you can just simply head over to settings from ChatGPT and simply delete your all chats. And yeah, that might be a fix. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe and like the video, and share with your friends, and comment down below what you want to see upcoming next on the channel. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.